Hello, are you tired on real expensive commercial feed that may not even always meet your chicken's nutritional needs? Today, I will show you how to create the best organic chicken feed using affordable natural ingredients. Whether you want faster growth, healthier chickens, or eggs with unbeatable taste, this video has you covered. So watch this video till the end. You get the best. You get step-by-step recipe for organic chicken rearing. For instance, every poultry farmer wants to make profit. But remember, I always tell you that using commercial feed, buying the old chicks, buying medications, synthetic medications, all these three will snatch away the profit from you. Why do you need to use organic feed? One is healthier chickens with strong immune system. If you are using organic products, your chicken, your poultry will hardly fall sick. You hardly encounter any error. You hardly encounter any issue through organic or probiotic. You have faster growth and better feed conversion rates. Chemical-free egg with improved flavor and nutritional value. One of my fans called me from one of the eastern states. He said, "Doc, I don't know. Anytime I buy egg from this man, if I keep the egg the next 2 days, I will see this, I will see this." And when I crack, because that our fan is into this what do you call it? Egg roll. She used to buy eggs in large quantity and used to prepare egg rolls. So she said anytime she cracked the egg, either the egg is watery or the egg see this inside the egg. I know that these are result of synthetic medication. Some of the medications causes all these things, but when you're into organic, you hardly get this kind of encounters. So chemical-free eggs with improved flavor and nutritional value. Reduce production costs with sustainable farming practices through organic. I always tell you, this is feed booster. This is organic feed booster. I produced it in my farm. This is purely organic, and you want to get the maximum result. This is what you make use of. This is the feed booster. We have the probiotic here, which I always show you. This is a probiotic. See it. This is 5 liters. This is 100 grams. We have it in 100 grams. We have it in 1 kg, which is 1,000 grams. Now, why you need organic chicken feed? One is the base ingredients. Use organic grains like corn, wheat, barley, depending on your region or where you base. The ingredients we have in the south may be different from the one you have in the north. The one he have in A country may be different from the one that is very common in B country. So that's why I give you many options so that you choose the one that's very common in your own region. Protein boosters is very important. Use organic protein boosters like soybean meal. This extract from soybean meal production is very nutritious and highly proteinous. It contains 48% crude protein. Sunflower seed is also good. Pear seed is also good. Fish meal is also good. Poultry byproduct is also good. Catfish offers is very good. All these are waste. They are natural and organic waste you can get within your environment. Blood meal is also good. Please make sure they are well processed so that to avoid inflating or contaminating your poultry beds or livestock animals. Essential fat is very important, like the flaxseed, sunflower oil, omega-3, groundnut oil, pancake oil, and others. Very good for fat. Fat enhances the quality of meat and the energy content of your feed also. Another one is minerals and vitamins. Please, any feed you are producing, whether organic or synthetic, minerals and vitamins are very important because they boost the immune system of your poultry and livestock animals and their growth. Mixed ground oyster shells. These are organic minerals and vitamins. Snail shell, if you have it in abundance, please make use of it. Some people throw it away. I went to one compound the other day. I saw bags of more than 7 bags of snail shell. They packed it close to one banana plantation there. I said, "Is this for sale?" No, he said they have thrown it away. I said, "What? Don't you know the?" He said, "What are we using it?" He sells snails. So when they buy it, they remove the small snail without knowing that the shell is even richer than the snail itself. So, what you don't know is greater than you. So another one is herbs and spices. Enhance digestion with garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and many others. Organically is very important. Now, step-by-step recipes. Combine 40% organic grains like corn, wheat, barley into your feed. 40% is very good for you to have a very good organic feed. Then mix 20% of crude protein sources, organic crude protein sources like fish. When you're talking about fish, this our tilapia is good. Even fish dust, this catfish dust you can get from the market, from all these women that sells fish in the market. If you go there, yes, it is true that the high rate of inflation in the country have made even the West, what used to be West now is no more West, but still they can't attach high value to it than the main fish itself. So go there and get this crude fish dust. Another good source of protein is crayfish dust. It's very good, up to 45% crude protein. Sunflower seed, I earlier said, is very good source of protein. Blood meal is also good. If you can't buy the factory blood meal, please go to abattoir, go to slaughterhouses, go and get this. Prepare it. You have watched the video. I have prepared a video for you on how to prepare the blood meal. Watch the video and see how you prepare it. After preparing it, grind it, and it gives you 85 to 90% crude protein. Include 10% fatty lipids from flaxseed and omega-3 oil. Even groundnut oil is also good. Even palm kernel oil is good. Even palm oil also good. Include 15% roughage and fiber like alfalfa and bran. When you talk about bran, rice bran, wheat bran, corn bran, and rest of them, it's good. Top it with 5% supplement like oyster shell, as I earlier said. It's very important for you. Now, let me give you the benefits for you to know that we are in a serious business. Let me give you a benefit of organic chicken feed. One is faster and natural growth for your broilers. It has strong quality of nutrients that will give you stronger eggshell and vibrant yolks for your layers. If you're a layers farmer, organic feed is best for you. Reduce diseases and antibiotic reliance. It increases egg laying efficiency. If you have been picking 70%, you start picking 90%. Immediately you start using organic. Layer beds like organic products more than synthetic. Better meat and flavor, both for the egg and for the meat. Gives you better quality of egg. If you test organic egg is different from synthetic. The taste and the color is also different. Cost effective compared to commercial feed. It is environmentally sustainable and adaptable to your flock diary needs. It promotes ethical farming practices Because if you are selling the byproducts like the poultry waste, like the poultry droppings to crop farmers, if they know that you are into organic, they will price your poultry droppings higher than when you are using commercial feed. It also promotes and boosts consumer confidence in organic poultry products. All this you gain as a poultry farmer using organic farming practices. Classes of organic feed. Starter feed, it has high protein for chicks to grow faster. Grower feed, it has balanced for natural and maturity of your chickens. Layers feed, it has extra calcium and omega-3 for egg laying capacity and egg drop quality. Then finisher feed, which enhances meat quality for your broilers. Every poultry farmer should start organic farming instantly. Even if it's not 100%, at least 75%. You need it. Complete control over ingredients and quality of your products. This is something you produce by yourself within your farm. This is something you grab. Some of the plants you use within your farm, you know, and you give them fresh. It's just like you going to your farm, your garden, to pluck pumpkin, wash it, and cook soup immediately. The taste it will give you is different from the one they have transported from far different region of the country. They may have stayed 2 days on the road. The color is no more greenish alone, it turns to yellowish in color. It's different. The taste it will give you and the nutrient it will give you is different also. It will give you customizable formula for specific flock requirements and significant cost saving for your poultry and livestock business, and promote a sustainable farm ecosystem and eliminate the risk of harmful additives or GMOs. This is what you're going to gain if you go straight into organic and you produce this within your farm. Thank you for watching this video. I don't want you to exceed this, please. By making your own organic feed, you ensure happier chickens and premium quality eggs and meat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Give it a thumb up. Bye for now.